Global inequality is a complicated, sensitive, and philosophical issue. I applaud Dr. Darity, Dr. Pearson, and others in the university for addressing such vital concerns. When I became the first black professor at Duke University in 1966, the students were eager to have the perspective of a black professor from all indications. And they wanted to know what he had to offer. They wanted to understand his vision. It was a new experience for the students, a new experience for me, in a predominantly white Southern university. I had taught at Atlanta University, the University of Illinois, and UCLA. The students were enthusiastic from all indications about taking my classes. I had a deep love for teaching, and I showed it, and they appreciated it. My method of teaching was no different from countless white professors. I tried to follow the Socratic method of teaching, despite imperfections, shortcomings, contradictions, and ambiguities. My family and I shall always be profoundly indebted to Duke University for the support, welcome, affirmations, and richness of human community that we experienced during my almost decade as a faculty member during the turbulent times on campus, from the mid-60s to the mid-70s. Teaching at Duke was one of the greatest experiences and challenges of my life. I shall never forget it. Thank you, Duke.